Welcome back to AutoGrid, your go-to destination for the most thrilling and luxurious rides in the world. Today, we dive deep into a machine that takes SUV luxury to new heights, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. Buckle up, because this is more than just a car, it's an experience. Under the hood, Mercedes-Maybach equips the GLS 600 with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with an EQ Boost mild hybrid system, delivering an effortless 550 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60, just 4.8 seconds, in an SUV built for luxury, not speed. But it's not about numbers. It's about how it glides over the road, how every throttle input feels like a command whispered, not shouted. The E-Active body control system scans the road ahead, adapting instantly to imperfections, so passengers never feel a single jolt. It's like driving on a cloud sculpted from silk. On the outside, the Maybach Night Series package adds an edge to its refined personality. Black chrome accents, darkened Maybach wheels, and subtle aggression wrapped in opulence. But let's be honest, the real magic happens inside. Step inside, and the world outside disappears. Executive rear seating package transforms the second row into a VIP lounge, with reclining, air-cushioned leather seats, heated and cooled massagers, and a fixed center console with champagne flutes. Because why settle for a cup holder? Maybach's signature fragrance fills the cabin, and the extended leather package wraps nearly every surface in the finest hides. This isn't just an SUV, it's a 5-star suite on wheels. A Maybach isn't complete without state-of-the-art technology. The MBUX system offers dual 12.3-inch displays, an enhanced Burmester 3D sound system, and rear seat MBUX tablets that put control at your fingertips. Want privacy? Electrically operated sunshades block out the world. Want to set the mood? 64-color ambient lighting transforms the cabin into a personal oasis. No ultra-luxury SUV is complete without safety, and Mercedes ensures this Maybach is as secure as a fortress. Active Drive Assist, pre-safe, and 360-degree cameras provide peace of mind so you can focus on the journey, not the road. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about redefining how you get there. For those who demand the best, this isn't just a luxury SUV. It's an experience, a statement, a masterpiece. Would you take this rolling palace for a spin? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to AutoGrid for more exhilarating reviews.